Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed review of the Oukitel BT80 rugged smartwatch. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display, battery life, health related features, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. First of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Oukitel BT80, you will find some quick start guide, user manuals, an additional strap, the regular strap, the base unit of the smartwatch, and a USB charging cable. The setup process is quite easy. All you have to do is download the smartphone application, create an account, and add a new device. Then just follow the on-screen prompts and you will be good to go. Talking about the design and build quality, the Oukitel BT80 is a super rugged smartwatch in every aspect. It has passed 12 different military standard certification for anti-shock, extreme temperature usage. It is dust proof, the display is anti-scratch, it is impact resistant, and also comes with IP68 waterproofing. It can work in extreme temperatures from -40°C to up to 70°C. The display is protected by the hardened H9 glass that is scratch proof, and the whole casing is super sturdy. It comes with 3 physical buttons for power, quickly launching the workout application, and one to access the menu. The casing is of very solid plastic and it comes with some fake screws design to give it even more rugged look. With 14.3 mm thickness, the Oukitel BT80 is quite thick, but it is totally justified because of the huge size of 1000 mAh battery we got in it. You can easily detach and replace the straps, and as we have seen in the unboxing video, it comes with an additional pair of straps as well. The silicone straps are quite comfortable and lightweight, so you can wear the Oukitel BT80 24/7 without feeling any discomfort. At the bottom you will find a set of sensors along with the charging point. On the left side there is microphone provided, as it also comes with speakers that you can use to making voice calls, giving voice commands to the voice assistant, and you can even listen music on your Oukitel BT80 via Bluetooth once it is connected with your smartphone. Overall, the design and build quality is pretty solid in every aspect. It is a rugged smartwatch, and if you are an outdoor enthusiast, then this is a perfect rugged smartwatch for you. Talking about the display, the Oukitel BT80 comes with a huge 2.13-inch AMOLED display with 410x520 pixels resolution. It also comes with 100% of RGB color gamut, and because of that the display of BT80 is really beautiful and sharp. It is also quite bright, so you won't face any issue in using the BT80 in bright sunny outdoors. The hardened glass used on the display of BT80 is scratch resistant, and it comes with a great set of built-in watch faces. And if you're not happy with them, then you can even download and install new watch faces on your BT80, and many of them are totally customizable to give you a unique visual experience on your smartwatch. The Oukitel BT80 comes with a huge 1000 mAh battery that can provide up to 30 days of regular usage, 20 days battery life on heavy usage, and up to 100 days of standby time. The battery performance is really brilliant. I am using the device moderately since last nearly 3 weeks, and the battery is reduced just to 50% so far. The only thing I'm missing here is that it does not come with wireless charging capability, but considering the fact that the battery life of BT80 is pretty nice, you will have to charge it rarely. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice, and the home screen comes with plenty of widgets that provide useful information from the health sensors, weather application, and the music player, and you can even add more widgets based on your preference. You can also quickly access lots of options and settings right from the home screen, and you can also check the notifications from your smartphone on your Oukitel BT80. Since this is a custom smartwatch OS, you won't be able to reply to the messages, but you can check all of the notifications without even looking at your smartphone. Talking about the health related data, the Oukitel BT80 comes with heart rate monitoring, the sleep tracking, blood pressure tracking, SpO2 monitoring, the stress monitoring, female cycle monitoring, as well as the breath training. The performance of the sensors are good enough, and they provide pretty accurate information regarding your stats. Personally, I have noticed that the pedometer is not that accurate, and you will get around 5 to 10% less footsteps count collected by Oukitel BT80. One weird thing I have noticed that if you don't move and swing your hands while walking, then the pedometer does not count your step. This happens while you're walking regularly or when you are doing the walking workout. So if you're walking while keeping the hands in your pocket or you're walking with a stroller, then the Oukitel BT80 will not count your steps. And that's a bug that Oukitel needs to fix as soon as possible. All of the health-related widgets on BT80 do not provide much information in the widget itself, and you will have to use the FitCloud Pro application to get in-depth information regarding your health-related data. Now talking about the workouts, the Oukitel BT80 comes with more than 100 sports mode. By default, there are only 8 sports mode pre-installed on BT80, but you can install other sports mode from the FitCloud Pro smartphone application. Just like the Vital Stats widgets, the Workout Records application does not provide much information regarding your workouts, and you will have to use the smartphone application to get detailed information regarding your workout and physical activities. It also comes with a compass as well as a barometer that is going to be pretty useful if you are an outdoor enthusiast and go out for running, hiking, etc. frequently. The BT80 is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, and you can use the FitCloud Pro for further functionalities. The app itself is not very feature-rich and comes with a very basic user interface, providing the information regarding your workout, your sleeping data, heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, blood pressure, SpO2 level. It allows you to turn on the activity reminder that sends you a reminder if you do not move continuously for 1 hour. You can also turn on the drink reminder and set the interval time that after how much time you would like to get a reminder to drink water. You can use it to install watch faces on your Oukitel BT80, and it comes with a huge collection of them, and they are pretty nice for sure. You can turn on the weather reports, the raise to wake feature. You can turn on the warning message for the elevated heart rate. It comes with the option to enable disable the automatic health monitoring, and you can even schedule the timing for which you would like the automatic health monitor to work. You can set the frequent contacts to whom you would like to make phone calls from your BT80. You can also sync the entire phone book, and you can also update the software of your Oukitel BT80 using the FitCloud Pro smartphone application. You can also create business card for some social media chatting applications like WeChat, QQ, WhatsApp, etc. And you can even do some payment right from your Oukitel BT80 using some popular payment applications like Alipay, PayPal, and WeChat. Using the Find Phone application, you can remotely start ringing your smartphone if it is out of your sight to find it, and you can also launch the camera and take picture using your BT80 smartwatch as the remote shutter, but keep in mind that it does not launches the camera application of your smartphone. Instead, it launches the camera app of FitCloud Pro. Overall, the Oukitel BT80 is a very nice rugged smartwatch in every aspect, and it comes with solid build quality, multiple military standard tests for durability and functionalities, a huge sharp and bright AMOLED display for outdoor usage, a massive 1000 mAh battery that can easily last up to a month, a microphone and a speaker for making voice calls and listening music, more than 100 sports mode, multiple health monitoring features, along with some productivity applications. So if you are an outdoor enthusiast and planning to buy a rugged smartwatch, then the Oukitel BT80 is one of the best options for you for sure. If you are interested in buying one, then I have shared the link from where you can buy the Oukitel BT80 in the description of this video below. And if you enjoyed watching this video and found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.